Welcome to the BD-Qtopia video editing tutorial. Today, I'm excited to present another fantastic slice screen transition tutorial using Filmora. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on upcoming tutorials and more. Let's start the tutorial. I have imported a video like this. Add video to the timeline. Go to the mask option. Add the linear mask and rotate it 180 degrees. Add the same video again at the above video track, and add the linear mask. Now I have to create a black line between videos. Hide the above video track. Change the X position value of the mask to -8. Unhide the above video track. A black line is created between the two videos. Move the playhead at the starting point, and select the above track video. Go to the Basic tab, and add the first keyframe to the position. Forward the playhead at 3 seconds duration, and add the second keyframe to the position. Select the first keyframe. Change the Y position of the video accordingly. Select the below track video, and move the playhead at the starting point. Add the first keyframe to the position. Forward the playhead at 3 seconds duration, and add the second keyframe to the position. Select the first keyframe of the below track video. Change the Y position of the video as shown in the video. Now we have to remove the black line. I have to select the video where I have set the mask's X position to -8. That is the below track video. Forward the playhead at 2 seconds duration. Add the first keyframe to the mask position. Forward the playhead at 3 seconds duration, and change the X position value to 0. But the black line is not completely removed. Let's fix this issue. Set the duration of both videos to 3 seconds in 1 frame. Add the video again to the below track. Split the video at 3 seconds in 1 frame duration, and remove the first part. Now place the video at 3 seconds in 1 frame duration. That's all from this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing tutorials.